Hi everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today we are unboxing Mi Pad 5, Xiaomi Pad 5, which is recently launched by Xiaomi. There are two tablets, Mi Pad 5 and Mi Pad 5 Pro. In this video we will unbox Mi Pad 5 and I'm really excited. The price is really awesome. So if you like this video, please give me a like. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So here is the box. There is a white box of Mi Pad 5 that 5 Pro is black color, and there are two variants, 6GB 128, 6GB 256. 6GB 128 costs $308 and another one is $355. So the price is really amazing. This is 11-inch tablet with IPS LCD screen, HDR10 support, and 120 hertz refresh. It looks really very beautiful. They have three colors: white, green and black. Green and white is really awesome. I really like that. The camera layout is almost same like Mi 11 series or Mi 11 Lite, Xiaomi logo. The weight of this laptop is 511 grams and I think it's normal weight. On the top we will find two speaker grills, stereo speaker, supported by Dolby Atmos, so it will be really nice. They have four stereo speakers in this one and one mic, two antenna rays and one power on button. And the frame is aluminum frame of this one. Here you can put the stylus and the power volume key and two antenna rays. In the bottom you again find two stereo speakers, type C charging port and mic, and the thickness is 6.85 mm. Really sleek tablet. I really like it. About the specs of this tab, you will get Snapdragon 860 in this variant, and this doesn't support any SIM card. We have MIUI 12.5 for tabs and Android version 11, so this is really nice. And the display, you can get the high refresh rate 60 hertz and 120 hertz. The battery of this tablet is 8720 mAh and 33-watt charger is supported here. So about the display, we will get 11-inch IPS LCD screen with HDR10 support and Dolby Vision also. 1600 by 2560 screen resolution. About the camera, this phone support 13 megapixel single camera with the f2.0 aperture, and it support video in 4K 30 fps. That's nice, but don't expect so much from the camera. And the front camera is 8 megapixel, so the camera is little so but about this price I think it's really good deal. And about everything about the specs, so when we try the benchmark N2, the score come 5,94,000, so it's not bad. And in the PUBG, you can play in the high graphics. That is also nice. So for gamers, this tab is really good because the Snapdragon 860 is really good for gaming and I really like it. If you play game like PUBG, so it's really good for you. And the battery is really nice, like 8720 mAh, so it will give you good battery backup also. Just the charger is 33 watt and it will take time. So overall I will say the package is really good, like $308. This phone, this tab include a lot of things. If you want to buy this keyboard and the stylus pen, you have to spend 54 USD each. So if you want, you can spend that one. So I think this tab, according to the price and the specs, is really nice. Hopefully they launch globally as soon as possible. So today video is just about this tab. If you want to ask something, you can message me. If you like this video, please give me a like. If you are new to channel, please subscribe it. So let's meet in next video.